Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Ganesh Chaturthi brings a wave of festive shoppers eager to celebrate and buy gifts. This auspicious occasion draws many customers ready to fill their carts with joy. But beware, unlimited discounts can significantly hurt your profits and reduce your margins. Let's explore the core problem that many business faces during festive sales. As cart size grows, so do the percentage discounts applied to them. This often leads to larger orders, resulting in larger profit losses for your business. So, what's the effective solution to this common sales challenges? The key is to implement a discount cap, which sets the limit on maximum discount allowed. For example, offer 40% off but with maximum discount cap of 1500. Discount caps allow you to control discounts on larger orders, preventing excessive reductions. This strategy helps keep your Ganesh Chaturthi sales profitable, ensuring healthy revenue. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So, before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more seasonal tips. So, for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I am using Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along. So after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and add for any discount code. Let's try 40% off for now. Now I'm planning to give a percentage of 40 with a capping amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that our discount amount will never go beyond $200. Even if the 40% of the cart value is higher than 200, this capping amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 200 only. And you can also apply your discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. If you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement. In case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tax or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time, and also you can limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. And in case of active dates, you can set some start date, start time, end date and end time through which this code is active. Like if you are planning to run the Chaturthi sale of this week of Ganesh Chaturthi or 10 days before Ganesh Chaturthi or a month, then those timings, the date, time and all you can set up here. And if you need, you can also combine this code with existing codes like product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. So after adding all these details, save the changes. Now let's check the code has been activated. Now you can see that the 40% off has been activated successfully from the discount section. Now let's test this setup in our online store. So I am trying to buy the product of 234. Let's add this product to the cart. Let's add our code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 234, which is 93, has been applied successfully. And this customer will be getting a correct amount of 40% of their cart value. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. So let's add this product of worth $5,000 to the cart. Now I'm adding my code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped our discount amount at 200, this cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount that the customer will be getting will be limited to 200 only. So by using this cap discounts whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smart way to stay generous without giving away too much. So that's how you set up a 40% off which is capped at $200 on your Ganesh Chaturthi sale. So what are you waiting for? Grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also, do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.